extend a special thank you to all of the local owners and pilots and maintainers that have brought their beautiful aircraft here to support this great event. Thanks for coming out today. Pass the microphone back to Ed and Tom. Also, one announcement I was just told, if you were planning on meeting an aviation legend Bob Hoover, he will be here for about 20 more minutes. 20 more minutes to meet Bob Hoover. Overseas. He was married to a Hollywood movie star, and he had an in with Air Force for so he got a desk job in Pentagon, someplace over there anyway. When he found that out, he wasn't too happy. But anyway, he went to Vietnam and credited with 4 big victories.